Living in Kendall, Florida, comes with the undeniable beauty of year-round sunshine, but it also means dealing with the occasional hurricane season. For homeowners, the fear of a powerful storm and the damage it can cause to your home is a real concern. With the growing frequency of severe weather events, many Kendall homeowners are making the smart decision to install impact windows for added protection. Here's why impact windows have become the top choice for safeguarding homes in Kendall during hurricane season. Unmatched protection against hurricanes. The primary reason homeowners in Kendall are choosing impact windows is their exceptional ability to protect homes from hurricanes. Regular windows may shatter or break under the force of strong winds and flying debris, leaving your home vulnerable to water damage, structural issues, and dangerous conditions. Impact windows, however, are specifically designed to withstand extreme wind pressures and flying debris, two major causes of damage during hurricanes. Impact windows are made with a durable, multi-layered construction that includes a layer of shatterproof material between two panes of glass. This design not only makes the windows resistant to breakage but also ensures that the window remains intact, even when struck by debris traveling at high speeds. In the event of a hurricane, impact windows act as a protective barrier, keeping both your home and its occupants safe. Preventing water damage. In addition to strong winds, hurricanes often bring torrential rain. Broken windows are a major entry point for water during storms, and even a small crack can result in significant water damage to your home's interior. Impact windows are sealed tightly to prevent water infiltration, which helps protect your home from mold, mildew, and water-related structural issues. By installing impact windows, Kendall homeowners can prevent rainwater from entering their homes, safeguarding not only their furniture and valuables but also their walls, ceilings, and foundation. This water resistance is crucial during a hurricane, where the combination of wind, rain, and flooding can lead to costly repairs. Energy efficiency year-round. While impact windows are best known for their hurricane protection, they also provide significant energy efficiency benefits throughout the year. The special coatings and multi-layer glass used in impact windows help insulate your home, reducing the amount of heat that enters during the summer and keeping cool air inside. This is particularly beneficial in Kendall, where the summer months can be unbearably hot and humid. By maintaining a more stable indoor temperature, impact windows help reduce the strain on your HVAC system, ultimately lowering your energy bills. Many homeowners report reduced cooling costs after installing impact windows, making them an investment that provides both protection and long-term savings. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Kendall is a bustling community, and for homeowners who live near busy roads or neighborhoods, noise can be a constant issue. Impact windows are designed to not only withstand hurricane winds but also provide superior soundproofing. The multi-layer construction helps block out noise from traffic, construction, and other external sources. This makes impact windows a great option for homeowners in Kendall who want to create a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Whether you're trying to relax after a long day or need a quieter space for work or sleep, the soundproofing qualities of impact windows improve the overall quality of life inside your home. Increased home value and insurance savings. Investing in impact windows is a great way to increase your home's value. As homebuyers become more conscious of the need for storm protection, homes with impact windows are seen as more desirable and safer, especially in hurricane-prone areas like Kendall. The enhanced security and reduced risk of damage make these homes more attractive to potential buyers. Additionally, installing impact windows can often lead to savings on your homeowner's insurance. Many insurance companies offer discounts to homeowners who have impact-resistant windows because they reduce the likelihood of storm damage. Over time, this can offset the initial investment cost of the windows, making them even more cost-effective. Ease of use and convenience. Unlike traditional hurricane shutters, which need to be manually installed before each storm, impact windows offer the convenience of year-round protection with no added effort. Impact windows are permanently installed, meaning they are always ready to provide protection, whether a storm is coming or not. Homeowners no longer need to scramble to put up shutters or worry about missing a storm warning. The peace of mind that comes with knowing your windows are always storm-ready is invaluable. Conclusion. For Kendall homeowners, the decision to install impact windows is a no-brainer when it comes to hurricane protection. Not only do these windows provide unmatched durability and safety during severe weather, but they also offer year-round energy savings, noise reduction, and increased home value. As storm season becomes a growing concern, investing in impact windows ensures your home remains safe, secure, and comfortable, regardless of what the weather brings. If you're considering upgrading your home with impact windows in Kendall, contact a trusted local professional to explore your options. With the right installation, you'll be ready to face any storm that comes your way, confidently and safely.